Hello everyone, my name is Rasmus Renzi and I am responsible for the control systems within REAC. And today we are going to show you some of our new products within the control system family. Here we have the newly launched products that I want to show you. First of all, we have the RCB 10 Plus, which is a 4-channel control systems for driving linear actuators. The RCB 10 Plus has a built-in battery that is sitting on the top of the control box. It can be controlled with a REAC hand control or by external buttons that I will show later. We also have the RCB 12, which is pretty much the same as RCB 10 Plus, only that it does not have the built-in battery sitting on top. For that reason, it has to be connected to an external power source, such as another battery pack or the main outlet. We also have the RCB 11, which is a lightweight 2-channel control box. Just as RCB 12, it has no built-in battery, so it has to be powered by an external battery. It can be operated with the REAC hand control or by using external buttons connected to the control box. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the control system RCB 11 to a computer to be able to change parameters inside the control box. To connect RCB 11 to a computer, we need this device. It's called USB 10, and that's the interface between the RCB and the computer. The USB 10 is connected to the same port as where the hand control used to be connected. So I have to remove the hand control while doing this. If I for some reason want to use the hand control while I am changing and testing different parameters, I have the possibility to connect the hand control to one of the ports on USB 10. USB 10 has a USB port type B that I connect to my computer to do this configuration work. This is my start menu, and here I have the program RST10. So this is how it looks when it has started. Just a gray screen, but up here you have system. You shall press that system and maintain. And now it's time to choose COM port. And there might be so that there are several COM ports here, and I don't know which one is the right one to choose. Then one trick that I use to do that is very simple, is to remove the USB port that I have connected to my USB 10. Remove that once again. And one of them will go away. I saw that COM4 went away now. Then I know, okay, it's COM4 that is the right one. Connect again and choose COM4. It's quite easy now, but this list may be very long on several computers with several COM ports, and that is hard to know which one to choose. So choose the right COM port and press next. So now things start to happen. At this stage, the software is uploading the complete parameter list from the RCB box. It's quite a big list, and it communicates over the same data bus as the hand control does, so it's not very fast. So now it's loading, and it takes a while. It takes about 1 minute to upload all the parameters from the box to the computer. So you can see it's saying here, receiving parameters from C. And C stands for controller. That is our control box, the RCB box. There is nothing wrong. It's easy to think nothing is happening. The computer has stuck, but it's all right. Take 1 minute. And then you see start happening things, change the text changes, and then it's done. So at this point, everything is loaded to the computer, and we see those red boxes here that are different devices that have now been connected to the computer and RST10. C is the control box. This is the one that we are interested in most of the cases. But actually H appears, and that is the hand control. So I can actually go into the hand control and check on parameters inside that one. But that is not very commonly used. Also the gateway, that is the USB 10 itself, is possible to do enter and check parameters. But we will focus now on the control system. So I just double click on C and I get this list at the beginning, which is actually group of parameters. So we have DC out 1, that's the group of parameters for port 1, DC out 2, that is a group of parameters for port number 2. I will focus here on port number 1, that is channel 1. So here are the parameters for channel 1. So let's try to do something. We have a standard setup now that comes from the factory. There will be a setup from the factory that is default programmed into the box, of course. So now we can see things are still happening here. It's live, so to say. Channel 1. Let's try. Change the start ramp. It's 50 milliseconds start ramp in both directions. It's quite short. So make that longer. I think you can both hear and see that there is not that much of a ramp. It is quite rapid start and a quite rapid stop. So now I will change the stop ramp to 2500. Now the stop ramp will take 2.5 seconds. I just want to check one other thing. Yes, I had a feeling that it was moving quite slow in the backwards direction, and it had its explanation actually. So, moving, stop ramp now, 2.5 seconds stop. So fast start and a very soft stop. I hope you can all hear and see this. Starting very fast and stopping slowly. Then we can try to change this gain parameter. It's 100% in both directions. Sorry, that was not gain. Here we have gain forward and gain backward. It's 100% in each direction. We can keep 100% in forward direction and change to 60% in the reverse direction. So now it will move at full speed forward and only 60% backward. And also having this slow stop ramp still. Sorry. So now moving backwards, you see I'm pressing the button and it's only reaching 60%. Okay. Very slow stop ramp. Fast going forward 100%, still 50% there. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so I will change back now, full speed in both directions, and let's have a more normal ramp, 300 milliseconds in both start and stop. This is quite normal setup, I would say. There is one important thing to mention here when changing parameters. When I have entered a new number, I have to press enter to confirm that the value is correct. The system will not read the value until I have pressed enter. So see, let's try this reverse direction that we spoke of earlier. Now it's 0, that means that the direction is not reversed at all. As we see, when I press up button here, the actuator is going out, and now when I press down, the actuator is going in. Reverse direction, if I set that to 1, I will have a completely reversed behavior. Some of the benefits with the REAC's new control system family is that the customer can easily adjust parameters and settings in the control system by connecting a computer. Parameters that can be changed is, for instance, current limits for each channel and also for both directions. It's possible to set the speed factor for how fast the actuator will travel. And soft start and stop ramps can be set individually for each channel and for in and out movement.